This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Monday, the 28th of April. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather very quiet today. Got a couple of small showers down in southeast Alabama, and things stay quiet through midweek, and then we will see increasing rain chances late this week. And how about some cooler air for the weekend? Let's talk about it. Here's the upper air look across the country. Big trough. Dynamic trough is coming out of the Rockies. And that promises to bring some very active weather in terms of thunderstorms and possible tornadoes to parts of the upper Midwest for the rest of this afternoon and tonight. But around here, nice and quiet. Visible satellite view. The sky mostly sunny across the state. Thought we'd look at the radar. This is what it looks like up in Iowa in the upper Midwest. We'll be watching trends here carefully over the course of the next few hours, as we're expecting severe storms to be forming in that region. And again, this could be a fairly meaningful severe weather situation for our friends up north. But around here, things are pretty quiet. Thought we'd go to the local radar. This is down in southeast Alabama. And again, you can see some spotty showers in progress in parts of Covington, Conecuh, Butler, Escambia counties. Had a few showers in Coffee County as well. Take a look here. Got a pretty decent downpour down below Greenville, not too far from Chapman, down in my old neck of the woods. Got some good showers just right below Evergreen. And a pretty good thunderstorm in progress off to the southwest of Andalusia. And a good shower just east of Bruton. And again, the rest of the state is dry. And the next couple of days, sure, we could see a little pop-up shower action like that, but no widespread rain really expected till the end of the week. Pretty warm today. Most spots are in the 80s. It's a little cooler on the eastern side of the state. We note Ashland at 72, but Tuscaloosa's got 87. Demopolis has 89. They're flirting with 90 on the western side of the state. And we'll expect highs in the 80s right on through the rest of the week. However, on Saturday, we're going to see a cooler air mass. Not many opportunities left for that before the long, hot summer gets here. Here's the watch warning map. We have flash flood watches now from parts of North Texas up into Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas, southwest Missouri. We have a tornado watch for parts of Minnesota and Iowa. Wind advisories for parts of the Dakotas. And again, up in the upper Midwest, we have a level 4 out of 5. Moderate risk of severe storms for parts of Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa. This includes Minneapolis, St. Paul. An enhanced risk through all the rest of Wisconsin down into northern Missouri. The broad risk running from Texas to the Canadian border. Tomorrow, a chance of severe storms from Texas into upstate New York. A couple of enhanced risks in there. All this north of Alabama. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, a risk of severe storms again off to the west. This would include Dallas-Fort Worth and Fort Smith, Arkansas. A marginal risk up to Indianapolis and Louisville. And no risks are defined beyond Wednesday at this point. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. And again, not a lot. We are going to see higher rain chances later this week. Rain amounts for most of the state, 1/2 to 1 inch. And after Friday, we are expecting a cooler, drier air mass for the weekend and early next week. Really a pretty quiet pattern here. Let's take it day by day. Model fans, the GFS, this is the 12Z run tomorrow at 4. So we have ridging here, troughing hanging back over the southwestern states. And again, there could be a few little spotty showers, but probably not many. Highs in the 80s. Same thing on Wednesday, and quite frankly, the same thing during the day Thursday. Now, a surface front should be approaching with increasing rain chances by Thursday night and Friday. But it looks like a pretty good chunk of the day Thursday will be dry. And then Friday, we'll mention a chance of showers and storms. Not raining all day. Not expecting severe storms at this point. Rain amounts probably 1/2 to 1 inch. The high Friday in the low 80s. And then a really refreshing air mass dropping in here for the weekend. Saturday, highs drop in the 70s over North Alabama. Many spots will start the day in the 50s. And Sunday, just gorgeous. Now, Sunday morning, many places over North Alabama could see lows in the mid to upper 40s. Little blackberry winter. That last refreshing touch of cool air before that old hot, muggy summer sets in. But again, the weekend just looks gorgeous, very comfortable. And a week from today, Monday, May 5th, got an upper low near Salt Lake City. Upper low that's over Maine, got ridging in between, northerly flow aloft, and once again, dry and pleasant. Let's keep going. We'll go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, May 8th. And again, we have a northerly flow aloft, and if this is right, we're dry. It really looks quiet. And again, we just don't see any super big high impact event here for the next 10 days. And by that, we mean organized severe storms, heavy rain, or flooding. It just looks kind of quiet. And we'll take that. Rain for Birmingham, really not that much for the next 15 days. Valid through May 13th. The mean is 1 to 1.5 inches. And again, considering the fact this is late April and May, it's kind of low. Temperatures coming off the national blend of models. This is for Birmingham. Your number could vary. 80s through Friday. 70s for the weekend. And look at those bottom numbers. The number for Sunday morning for Birmingham has come down to 53, which means many places over North Alabama will likely see 40s early Sunday morning. Come on. And then we bounce back in the middle 80s for much of next week. And just in moments ago, latest long-range guidance, 8 to 14 days out. This is for May 6th through May 12th. And if this verifies, temperatures here would be above average. Hey, let's roll some Children's of Alabama Kid Cam video. Couple of stops today. Stop number 1, Cottondale Elementary School in Tuscaloosa County. Pre-K, I say they are ready for kindergarten. We had a great session on weather today. And let me tell you what, these cookies are outstanding. Absolutely outstanding. Those are great. But we talked about weather instruments, how we forecast the weather, a little bit about hurricanes and tornadoes. Fun session today. Those kids were great. And then stop number 2, another pre-K group. This is at Trinity Presbyterian Church in Tuscaloosa. And they were fun today. These kids love to learn about weather and talk about weather. And we had great, great fun today. What a great group. And ooh, look at that cake. Yes. Really fun Monday today. We did some talking about storms. Storms are good. We need the rain, a vital part of the water cycle. Hurricanes, tornadoes, a lot more. So again, to all these students today at Trinity Presbyterian Preschool in Tuscaloosa and Cottondale Elementary in Tuscaloosa County, thanks a lot for great visits earlier today. Hey, you guys look great. Tomorrow we're going to be up in Tuscumbia Covenant Christian School. Wednesday, Creekview Elementary in Alabaster. Friday, back up to the Shoals, going to be in Florence, Mars Hill Bible School. And then Friday, Saturday, I'll be down in Destin, be speaking at a medical conference there. So no book signing this Saturday. But hey, tonight's Monday night. You know what that means? It's Weather Brains Night, the show every week for weather dweebs, geeks, nerds, dorks, and weenies. We've been doing that show for 1006. Tonight's episode 1006. And we've been doing it for 19 years. Goodness gracious. Who'd have thunk it? We started the show back in 2006. But we have a ton of fun doing that. So if you like weather, you'll love to watch or listen. You can watch it live on YouTube, youtube.com/weatherbrains. Most people listen to the audio podcast. That'll be out late tonight. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on TV tonight, right across the hall in Studio A, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.